Method 1. Fix frozen iPhone by force restart. Please note that this method might cause data lost, so please ensure that you have a backup before you apply this method. Press and hold the power and the home button at a go until the iPhone restarts. When the phone restarts, release the buttons. This reboots your iPhone system and you might lose some of the data saved in some apps. This method does not require you to connect the iPhone to the PC, but if the battery is low, ensure you have it charged. Method 2. Restore frozen iPhone via iTunes. If the iPhone is stuck during the startup, you can fix your iPhone with iTunes. Connect your iPhone to the PC using a USB cable and open the latest iTunes. While your iPhone is still connected, force the iPhone to restart. Keep holding it until the iPhone is in the recovery mode. When it gives you the option of restore and updates, choose updates as the iTunes will reinstall the iOS without deleting the data. iTunes will download the software for the iPhone, after which the device leaves the recovery window. If the phone freezes whenever you open certain apps, you can have a check on the setup. This may require you to reset the system in order to solve the problem completely. Method 3. Repair frozen iPhone without data lost. Step 1. Run the software on your computer and link your iPhone to PC via a USB cable. Click More Tool iOS System Recovery on the interface. Step 2. Then the program might detect and show what problems the iPhone has, saying like frozen iPhone, error 1, stuck on Apple logo, recovery mode, blue screen of death and etc. Click Start button to go on. Step 3. Then you are required to confirm the iPhone information on the interface. If the information is right, just hit Repair button to begin repairing. If not, choose the right information and hit Repair button to start fixing the issue. To fix your frozen iPhone, the program will download and get the latest iOS version for your device.